Are you looking at the high cost of replacing the roof on your home in the next few years? If you are a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, or New Jersey, and if I could show you a way to get a virtually free roof, it's a brand new 50-year 3D composition roof, you reckon you'd be interested?
Yeah, 3D composition roof for virtually nothing. Give me high fives.
Maybe you already have a new roof or it's under 12 years old. We're going ahead and erasing people's electric bills for lower than what they're currently paying to their electric company. Let's get after it.
I have a secret about your roof and the state-funded solar program. So learn how. Click here below and we'll get you all the info right away.
It's a unique and limited opportunity to get money from Uncle Sam to get a brand new roof that will last you a lifetime or solar that'll save you thousands.
Here's the deal. You just get free power for the rest of your home's existence.
We'll work it out. Not all roofing and solar companies are created equal.
So how does it sound? What do you think?
So if you're a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Jersey, more to come, and you're ready to see how you can save thousands on your roof, your electric bill, or both, here's what I need you to do now.
Click the link you see here to be taken to a page that looks like this.
Simply click the link to see if you qualify and answer the question if you rent your home or if you own your home. Punch in your info and we'll be in touch. Feel free to also schedule an appointment if you'd like with us. You got my calendar there.
Just imagine, no more roof leak worries, free electricity, and saving thousands. Let us fight for your right for a brand new roof. We'll hand the information, we'll leave the decision making up to you, and we'll get you that information in the shortest period of time possible. Take the next steps to see if you qualify.
All you have to do is click the link that you see here now.
I urge you to act as quickly as possible because there's a limited number of homeowners in your area that will qualify.
50% of people pay nothing and get everything. 50% of people pay $500, $2,500 and get everything. By everything, we mean a brand new roof, a brand new solar system. That's in the permitting, the labor, the warranties, the guarantees, everything.
And even our cell phone number because you are a valued customer for life.
90% of contractors do substandard construction.
Here at Nat Eco Roofing and Solar, we're committed to exceptional workmanship. When you choose us, you'll be sure you're getting quality work and saving thousands. Look, you can get terrible work done or we can get your work done right the first time.
If you wait, the insurance company or the government, they might not cover it all. So what are you waiting for?
This is a limited time opportunity that won't be around forever.
Click the link you see here below. You'll be glad you did, and I look forward to helping you on the other side.